hair cold, dark skin, light skin, medium tones, pumping braids, got mini afros, big lips, got lips, some of us don't, big nose contour, some of us won't, never wanna pass in a video, bro, wanna fat pretty like a Kardashian, wanna fat pretty like my eyes.
Guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tan if you're new. In today's video, we have a unit sent over from Subella hair. Now, I'm gonna be completely honest with y'all. This is not my first time filming this video. It's actually my second, and that's because the first time I filmed it, I was just getting over the flu, so like my energy was not there. Also, I just felt like I looked a mess, so I was like, let's redo it. They sent over a ready and go wig, meaning she has been pre-cut, pre-plucked, and the knots came pre-bleached. The cap construction for this unit comes with no combs whatsoever, but it does have a security band in it that you can adjust and or remove if you choose to do so. The lace space for this unit is an 8x5, meaning you are going to get 8 inches going across the front and then 5 inches going straight back for the parting space. Now, I've said this before and I'll say it again, I'm not the biggest fan of like a 4x4s, but give me a 5x5, give me a 6x6, give me a 7x7, give me an 8x5. Yeah, that's more my speed. I personally love a good frontal moment, but those glueless, aka closure units with like the larger size lace parting spaces also come in clutch, especially on the days where you're not really trying to do too much or do the maintenance on a frontal, but you still want the frontal look or effect, you know? They offer this unit in multiple lengths of 12 all the way down to 32 inches, and if I'm thinking correctly, I received this unit in 26 inches, but if I'm wrong, if I am mistaken, I'm sorry. Just make sure to check the description box down below because it'll have not only the length, but also a discount code that you can use and all of the information for this unit. I don't think I mentioned this, but this unit did come with like a pre-cut curtain bangs, and I will let y'all know because I mean, like I said, this ain't my first time recording this video, and in all honesty, I've been wearing this unit for like the last week. But they did an excellent job on cutting the curtain bangs. You know, I can't stand when like companies cut the curtain bangs too short. I don't know, I like mine a little bit on the longer side, and they did a really good job with cutting these. But I'm gonna stop jacking my jaws and let's go ahead and install this unit, and then of course I'll come back with my final thoughts at the end.
Call me after the I said, skirt on niggas, skirt up on niggas, skirt down, you acting like we, was it more than just some more flick? I said farewell, you took it well, promise I won't cry, I spill milk. Give me a paper towel, give me another vow, give me another hour with you.
Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about this unit from Subella. Now, I want to start with my cons first, and my first con is going to be, even though that this unit did come pre-plucked, I do wish that they would have pre-plucked it just a tad bit more, but at the same time, I will say whoever was pre-plucking this unit got a little bit happy right here in the middle part and like almost created like a bald spot, if you will. Now, like I mentioned earlier, I have been wearing this unit for a whole week at this point, and I just wanted to let it be known that I did not create that bald spot in the front. Now, my next con for this unit honestly all depends on who you are and what you're looking for when it comes to the unit. In my opinion, this unit does not hold an actual curl very well. Now, I will tell you guys that this unit is a body wave unit because I don't think I mentioned that earlier in the video. So this unit holds a wave like beautifully. Like once the curls drop, it has this like really pretty soft wave like to it. But if you are someone who's expecting like a serious curl out of the unit, yeah, it's not gonna happen. I want to say the first time I reviewed this unit, within like an hour and a half after I curled the unit and installed it, the curls had dropped, and so I had ended up recurling the unit to like do the talking portion of the video. For this unit, I just went ahead and curled it like I want to say again like an hour or so before, and as you can see, it just has like this really pretty wave to it, not really a curl. Now, my last con for this unit is going to be the density. Online it says that this unit is 220% density, and I've worked with Subella before, and when they say 220% density, baby, they mean 220% density. This unit to me It's more so giving like a 200. Now I know somebody's probably thinking like,
girl, 200 is still a lot.
and yes, indeed it is. But you know, when you hear 220% density and the fact that I have other Subella units that say 220% density, I'm going to expect like just a little bit more thickness to the unit. But enough about the negatives. Let's go ahead and move on to the positives. Now, you know how most of the time when you get a unit, whether it's a 24, 26, a 30 inch, whatever it may be, the ends tend to be like a little bit on the thinner side, if you will. Not with this unit. Sorry, my camera had died, so if like the angle is off a little bit, well, that's why. Anywho, what I was trying to say is that the ends of this unit are not like thin, frail, and see-through like most units are whenever it comes to like a longer unit. They're pretty much the same density, thickness throughout the entire unit. My next pro for this unit is the way that they structured the lace portion of this unit. Now, you probably won't be able to tell that much because I did decide to create some baby hairs. Y'all know I usually don't even do baby hairs, but I don't know why. I was just really feeling it today for some reason. Anywho, right here on the sides, it kind of like dips down a bit. And you know how most of the time with like closure units, glueless units, it's pretty much like cut straight across, which I absolutely freaking hate. This one has like, again, these like dips on the side. And I think I like it like so much because my natural hairline dips where the lace lays. So I don't know, it matches up with my natural hairline really nicely. That's why I like it. Another pro for this unit is that I've received little to no tangling and shedding. And again, remember, I have been wearing this unit for like almost a week at this point. And so I feel like I can really tell, you know, whether it's been tangling and shedding. And I have yet to receive, again, little to no tangling and shedding. Now, I will let you guys know the way I've been wearing this unit is completely glueless. And speaking of completely glueless, she's glueless right now. But the way I've been wearing her this past week, oh, let me fix her. Let me get her back right. Hold on. All right, I think we're looking okay. The way I've been wearing her is just pretty much throwing her on, and then I will put a like headband over it, and then I go out the door just like that. Again, the unit has like a really pretty wave to it, so it's pretty low effort, low maintenance in my opinion. I will say, and I should probably put this like under the cons portion, I do wish that the unit came with at least one comb in it, and I would like that comb to be like right here in the back, in the nape of the neck, because I don't know, whenever I wear my units, I just like a comb, whether it's a little comb or a big comb. I prefer a big comb in this one just because it doesn't have any other combs, but I don't know, I like a comb in the back for security purposes. And of course, yes, we all know that that's the purpose of the security band, and then you can also tighten it to make it fit even tighter on your head, you know, that way it don't go anywhere. I don't know, that comb in the back it just does it for me. The lace on this unit is really nice, really thin. In my opinion, it blends in very nicely, so there's no complaints there. But yeah, I've said it once and I'll say it again, you really cannot go wrong when it comes to Subella hair. Like, they are some winner chicken dinners in my opinion. But you guys let me know what you think in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel before you leave, and also make sure you click the bell that way you're notified anytime that I upload a video. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok, they're both at @TanDotson. I'll be sure to have all of the information for this unit down in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. I don't have anything else to say though, except for I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.